we have another question from maxima and minima. Here we are given a curve which is y is equals to e power x sin x, where we have to find the abscissa of a point at which tangent drawn to this curve has maximum slope. So to check the maximum slope, first we have to get the slope. So now let's differentiate it to get the equation of slope. Y is equals to e power x sin x. Differentiating would give us dy by dx, which is the slope. Let's assume it to be some m. Now differentiating this, u dot v, differential of e power x is e power x, which remains the same, e power x sin x plus e power x into sin x derivative is cos x, e power x cos x. So this is the slope. Now it is given that slope is maximum. If slope is maximum, then first derivative of this should be equal to 0. So dm by dx is equals to e power x sin x plus e power x cos x again plus e power x cos x minus e power x sin x, because derivative of cos x is minus sin x, hence e power of sin x and e power of sin x gets cancelled and we have 2 e power x cos x. As I said, if slope is maximum, then first derivative of slope should be equal to 0. So we have e power x cos x is equals to 0. This means, given that x belongs to 0 to pi, e power x is equals to 0 or cos x is equals to 0. We need the abscissa of point, which means we need the value of x. Omitting this, we have cos x is equals to 0, which happens in 0 to pi at x is equals to pi by 2. Hello guys, let's now go into a new topic, which is maxima and minima. Maxima and minima. So let's solve a simple question, which is, consider a wire of length 2 units which is cut into 2 parts, and one of the part is used to make a square of side x units and another is used to make a circle of radius r. So we need to find the relation between x and r when the area formed by the square and the circle is minimum. So let's start from the known information. We know the length of the wire, hence the initial length 2 units should be equal to the perimeter of the square and also the circle. Hence 2 is equals to square perimeter is 4x plus circles is 2 pi r. So this is the first equation we know, and the other information given is the area formed by this square and circle is minimum, which is area formed by square is x square plus area of circle is pi r square. This is minimum. Let's assume it to be function of, this is area, total area. Now we have a relation, and here we have 2 variables which are x and r. So let's eliminate one of the variable using this equation, and let's make it a function of r or x, anything. So x becomes as 2 minus 2 pi r by 4 whole square plus pi r square, which is 2 minus 2 pi r by 4 is 1 minus pi r by 2 whole square plus pi r square. Now it is given that this area is minimum. Now for it to be minimum, its first derivative should be equal to 0. So differentiating f dash of r is equals to 2 times of 1 minus pi r by 2 into derivative, that gives us minus pi by 2 plus 2 pi r. Now as I have said, this has to be equal to 0, which is 2 can be cancelled, and 1 minus pi r into pi by 2, sending this to the other side, then this would become equal to 2 pi r. Pi can be cancelled, and we have, let's write it over here. 2 is equals to 4x plus 2 pi r. Then we have 1 minus pi r is equals to 4r, and making r subject, we get 4 plus pi times of r is equals to 1. R is equals to 1 by 4 plus pi. So as we have the value of r, we can find the value of x using this equation. So we get x is equals to 2 minus 2 pi r by 4, which is 2 minus 2 pi into r is 1 by 4 plus pi, and the entire divided by 4. So take LCM, we get 8 plus 2 pi minus 2 pi by 4 into 4 plus pi. This gives us 2 by 4 plus pi. This is x and this is r. We can clearly see that x is equals to 2 times of r. Hence this is the equation required